So here's a close-up of that card we're going to be making today. As I said, I think this is a great intermediate card. This is part of our Sunflower Trio series. The simple, the intermediate, and the more advanced, but you can easily do any of these styles in a variety of different ways, but I just wanted to showcase some different levels of that card making. So if you want to check out the videos for how to make these two, they should be linked as soon as they're all done. All right. So to make this, of course, we're going to be using, yet again, that Celebrate Sunflower stamp, which I love. And in this video, we're going to be using the coordinating dies. I'll show you those real quick. So they look like that. I've already got these on blocks ready to go, but they're just so gorgeous. And I've seen some amazing things with this set already, and I'm sure there is going to be even more. So besides the stamp set, we're going to be using a card base with the thick Whisper White. Make sure we're not too crooked here. Okay. And our colors today are going to be the Crushed Curry and the Garden Green. In addition to that, we're also going to be using the new Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch. Now, this is an amazing 2-in-1 punch. You can punch the edges for either of those designs and a variety of different lengths. It's such a fun one. So just got those nice handy channels. So we're going to be using this today in a second. Checking my list. Oh, and dimensionals. I forgot to mention dimensionals. We're going to be popping that flower up with dimensionals. All right, so let's go ahead and get stamping. So first we're going to take that Crushed Curry, our folded thick Whisper White card base, just like that. We're going to go ahead and stamp our giant sunflower. Now, it is of note, this is a really big sunflower, so you're going to need at least a block size E or bigger for it to fit. Otherwise, it's going to be hanging off. So just handy thing to know. All right, so I'm going to stamp each of the 4 corners with this sunflower. Now, just not going too far because I don't want them to overlap. So just like that. Boom. So pretty. This corner. Boom. Just like that. All right, and now for these, I need to be sure I have that edge nice and crisp, so it'll stay down. Let me bone folder that real quick. Handy tool. All right, there we go. Nice and sharp crease. All right, now I'm going to get those other 2. Just like that. Now you'll notice we left the center open because we're about to cover it with another sunflower, so there's no point in stamping the center. It's going to be covered up. Now on a separate sheet of Whisper White, we're going to go ahead and stamp another sunflower, like that, same color. And we're also going to be stamping our leaves, and these are stamped with the Garden Green. You're only going to need 2. We'll stamp those and cut those out with the coordinating dies. And then we are done with our Crushed Curry. Put that off to the side. We're going to pull in our Garden Green, and we're going to need a strip of Whisper White. Now I have the measurements right here, so this is cut. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, yes, 3/4 by 4 1/4 is our strip. So it's a smaller strip, but what's great about this is you just take it and it slides right into that bottom little groove, I'd say, just like that. And just slide it in, just all the way till it won't go any further. There you go, right in there. And then give it a little squeeze, and you have your perfect little edge, which is a lot of white. I don't think how that's gonna show. There we go, just like that. Flip and do the same thing on the other side. Back out. So now you have your 2 little edges. Okay, that one I did not do straight, but I have a backup. So there we go. Doing things in the air. So now once you have your piece all cut out, I'm gonna go ahead and block up the Thanks a Bunch and stamp that right in the center. just like that. Awesome. And now we're just going to assemble it with some dimensionals. So yet again, this is a pretty quick and easy card. And imagine this design would look good if you wanted to switch flower colors. So if you wanted to do it in pink, like our new lovely Magenta Madness would be really pretty. If you wanted to do it, you know, in blue or orange. I mean, so many options, so little time, you know? Here we go, just like that. Okay. Our thanks a bunch. Oh, off my finger, there we go. Okay. Just stick it right there. And we're gonna add, okay, that was not even. Let me fix it real quick, there we go. There we go, just like that, okay. And then lastly, our flowers, or our leaves, excuse me, we're just gonna kind of tuck those under. Just be sure that they don't hang off to the side. Now to adhere that, you can use your multi-purpose liquid glue, or you could also try our brand new Stampin' Seal adhesive. Now this is kind of cool. This is replacing our formerly snail, which if you were in a humid state like I am, Florida, I was not the biggest fan of our snail. It did not hold up as well, but I have heard great things about this new Stampin' Seal, and I am really liking it. So you just add some adhesive, whatever you have, and we're just gonna tuck it underneath and give it a little press, just like that. Pretty quick and easy. And if you want a stronger tack, we do have the Seal Plus now. So lots of adhesive options. So I'm just tucking that where those dimensionals aren't. Give it a little press. There we go. So there is our quick and easy card using the Celebrate Sunflower stamp set bundle. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And for all the direct product links to everything featured in this video, check out the video description below. Thanks, guys. See you next time.